Oh, brother. Okay, this one. Here's the knife drawer. So I changed it because this used to be knife. So I took it out, and now when I pull it out, the knives go in the locked one, and I can do this and then open up the knife drawer. So the knife drawer has, okay, hold on. I can do this and then pull it out. Okay, this one is also locked. Oh, come on, over there. It requires 2 hands. Here it is. Okay, this is the vitamin drawer. Oh, this requires 2 hands. Oh, oh brother. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Oh, okay, that's fine. Okay. Oh, maybe I extended out too much. Oh, that's okay. It's better than loose.